Okay, here we go. We're going to talk about Snowfall. It's been a while. I mean, it has been almost, well, for the Lincoln area where I'm at right now, almost a year since we've seen any kind of accumulating snow. So this is kind of weird. I mean, it's we've seen snow. I mean, it's been, flurries and traces of snow several times. But accumulating snow in the Lincoln area has been hard to come by. It's been since last January 2024 since we've seen accumulating snowfall. And we didn't do too bad. There was one day. Oh, I wrote it down. What did I do with it? I think it was 6.2 over the course of 2 days, and then another day 4.4 inches. So there were two snowfalls in January that had substantial accumulation, but then that was it. So here we go. This is this first one. Okay, take this with a grain of salt, all right? Because this one I don't think is going to happen. Not gonna happen. That's a lot of snow. I mean, right there. Holy buckets. That's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 inches of snow in some spots. I mean, can it happen? I mean, I don't want to just say no. I mean, it's just too much snow to happen in one day. So, moving on. This is the same model, 0.2. So it's just a different version of the same basic parts of the model. And this one, I mean, it's still up there. Once you get towards Hebron and Beatrice, I mean, that's still a foot of snow, but more realistic. You've got 4 or 5 inches for most of the state, higher along Interstate 80, and then much higher south. That's still a little unrealistic to me, but this one's getting closer. So 1.2 I prefer over 1.1 for this particular model. So we're getting better. All right, let's move on. This is model 2. So we're going through Saturday. I mean, this one still high. But what you're noticing, or what I'm noticing, is this area right here continues to be the area of the most snow. If you were to take away the numbers and just show these models over and over again, you're going, okay, this area right here has the better chance for more snow. Meanwhile, this area over here, higher snowfall. And then this area over here, and even this area over here, less. That's what I'm taking away from all of these models. I'm not trusting the fact that the numbers are showing me double digits, because that's a lot. But I like where this pattern has been setting up, where the higher snowfall totals, south central, southeast Nebraska, and then less the further north and west you go. So let's look at the next model. See if model number 3 does the same thing. And I'm going to stop it. Hang on. Notice how it starts off coming from the northwest, right? And then kind of adds to it. So let's go through that again. Okay, this one's a little different. This one has a different feel to it. That's not like this last one. Let's look at that last one again. See, notice how it starts from the north. So north central Nebraska first. So you're up here, right? And then this right here, this fills in from the south. That's what I'm expecting, is there's going to be snow sliding in from the northwest, and then a low pressure center from the south pushes up more snow. So it's almost like there's two things meeting kind of in the middle. That's where that higher precipitation is at. But this model a little different. It's showing this whole area right here has 6 to 8 inches, and then everywhere else is a little lighter. So this one's kind of an outlier, but it's something to keep in mind, right? Okay. And we're a ways away. Hang on. And this one doing it too. Snow first in north central Nebraska through Friday night. Now, it's Thursday when I'm recording this. We still have the rest of Thursday, Friday, and the first half of Saturday. That's 2.5, 3 days for things to get figured out. So we're still a little ways away from this starting. So We'll do another update tomorrow, but okay, anyway, back to the matter at hand. Watching this area right here first, and then it should fill in down here second if it's like those other models. So let's see what it does. Yep, there it is right there. There's your second push. When does that start? That starts Sunday morning. So Saturday night, and then Sunday morning, that secondary push. So you're getting snow from the northwest and then snow from the south, kind of different times. Bam, bam, 1-2 punch, if I've ever seen a 1-2 punch. Interesting. Okay. But look at these numbers. I mean, that's a lot of double digits near Beatrice and Hebron. And then 4, 5, 6 inches here, 5 to 7 or 8, and then lesser amounts here. All over the place here. You go from 2.7 in Scottsbluff to 8 in Alliance. So that's a lot. But overall, higher amounts here, medium amounts here, lesser amounts here. I like that. I like that. So I think I would say in this area right here, if you were to take away the numbers, I would say 6 to 8 plus. This area up here, 4 to 6, including along Interstate 80 North, and then over here, 2 to 4. And I don't know, 8 seems high over here. Anyway, okay, something else of concern, temperatures. This is Saturday morning, 20 degrees, not bad. Saturday afternoon, temperatures are still in the 20s. That tells me that we're probably going to see a fluffy snow. This isn't going to be a heavy wet snow because the temperatures aren't warm enough. So I think this is going to be a fluffy snow, packs up, gets up there higher. Fluffy snow packs, accumulates faster. Okay, then 15 degrees Sunday morning, 4 degrees Monday morning, 2 degrees below zero Tuesday morning. Look at that pocket right there and up here. Even bigger pocket of below zero temperatures all over the place. Look at that huge area. A lot of the upper Midwest below zero. That's Wednesday morning. Thursday morning, a little better, moderating, but still a really big band of cold air. Ooh, hang on. My alarm just went off. And then we moderate as we get towards Friday. So we're talking about after this snow, big area of cold air, not brutally cold, but January cold air moving in and sticking around. Overnight low temperatures close to zero, high temperatures in the teens. It's going to be a cold week after it snows, so something to keep in mind there. And then another, maybe even by Saturday, a week and a day from now. So anyway, it's going to be cold. Like and subscribe. It's hard to like it when it's cold and blah, but snowfall potential's out there. I'll try to do another one of these tomorrow to see what the models have updated, see if we still see that big line of heavy snow to the south and east. So appreciate everybody subscribing. See you next time.